This one I got you with the jabba. Me, I know get time, the jabba. That cover my face, body Karibu nyumbani, east to west, home is the best.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mapenzi. If you're a returning subscriber, here's your daily kiss. So, it's so many days, weeks even later, and I realized when editing as usual, I forgot to introduce the vlog and to say what we are doing. So on this particular day, it's my elder sister's birthday, and we had invited her to the house. We cooked some meals because she's always like, oh, when am I going to eat this meal that you cook on Instagram? Sidri, what? Yes. So today, we invited her. We cooked all these nice meals she usually sees on Instagram. So we just wanted to make her feel special. And then we also invited some of our family members and some friends. Nasema hivyo na tulikuwa watu watano. It was me, my two sisters, and a mutual friend, and my cousin. So we are doing game night, just having some cocktails, homemade by the which I'm so proud of myself for. And just some food. So enjoy.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take one away. Plenty survive with just to make your money. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money. What's it go? You want go? All depend. Ride the boat, I know be die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all depending. They got it, ride the boat, I know be different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows and juggling, floating.
The next day.
They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get rid on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight it. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight. I figure out you figure out me, we both a different breed. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed.
Tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby, what are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby, you don't that's the time, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yell, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crap? We know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on that boy, take it on that boy, take it back on us.
So guys, I want to start unboxing now the kitchen things. Let me tell you guys, this is just God. I've been saving up for so long. I really wanted these things for the longest time, and finally tumeonekaniwa, so we just want to say thank you. So also this is to inspire you guys, so that like you know that you can achieve anything that you put yourself to achieve. That's the reason I'm showing you guys. Yeah, okay, so let's get into it. This red berry blender, I got it for, I don't want to tell you guys the price, I'm trying to calculate, but I got all these things for a good price. If you want to know my plug, I will nitakupatia if you just comment kwa YouTube hapo chini. So I got this blender. It's a 2-in-1 blender. So I'll show you everything, then I show you, because I've already unboxed them. So we can start with the blender, the 12-piece silicone kitchen set, which comes with all these things, and zimeandikwa hapa. Yeah, it has a basting brush, a whisk, tongs, and all these other spoons. Yeah, it comes in all these colors. And then we have this knife set that comes with a bunch of knives, a peeler, and a pair of scissors. So this is the blender, this is the jug. It says it's unbreakable, but I ain't gonna find out. This is the other piece. So this one is the one that you use to grind garlic and ginger and all that. Yeah, then that's how you pulse it. So this is the pulse, then the 1 and 2. Yeah. Then this is the kitchen set, the silicone set. I got it in black, obviously. So yeah, finally niko na tongs, guys. Acha nitatumia aje. Oh, unafaa kutoa hii. Okay, sijui nita find out. I'm just so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Let me show you what I had before. Let me show you what I had before, you guys want to make an upgrade. Guys, what is this? What is this? As in, the rust zinavunjika, we are out of there. The Lord has delivered us. And then, guys, how cute is this knife set, bro? I didn't rotate. Sema nini? Mi sijui, niko na ushamba, but tuta find out. So this is it. These are some of them. Then I think this goes here. Ama ni hii? I don't know. This one I think goes here. Yeah, this one will go somewhere here. So yeah. See? Wow. Hadi zinaenda huko, even zinakaa like that. So when I put all the knives, yeah, it look nice. Then the next thing I wanted to unbox was this. Yeah, it's a jam jar, but I want to use it for sugar. So this is how it looks. It's cute, isn't it? Yeah, because what we're using now. Also got this pestle and mortar, because the one we have is wooden, and it's usually it just looks bad when it gets wet, okay? So yeah, I'm just so happy about this. I think this went for like 400. I'm at 350, but you can get it in town for the hawkers. Yeah. Then you guys, this is my highlight. This is my highlight. Guys. Hii hata msiangalie box, just look at the inside. Wow. Wow. Hey! The Lord has delivered us. The Lord has delivered us. So these are the screws and the handles for the lids. We'll be fixing that later. Bro, eh? These nails are not going to get lost in washing the sufurias anymore. Eh? My cooking skills are going to be amplified. We're not going to be paying tax anymore. Unaacha nyama, unabakisha nyama zingine huku, unapika mayai, unawacha tax. None of that. None of that. Bro. And there are 2 more inside. Because I just want to show you guys the big one. Yeah, so the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, that was the highlights. That's all I got. I'm just so happy. Like, you guys, let me show you what we had before. Huh? From this to this. Where? Yo, tell God what you want, you guys. Tell him. He'll make a way. Hey, not today or tomorrow, like it's not gonna be instant. But he always makes a way. So I hope you guys are inspired. I'm just so happy. That's why I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sharing that experience with me. I hope it will inspire you. And yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, obviously. And yeah, tutapatana hiyo round nyingine. Bye. Goodbye, lover. Goodbye, old friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for us. I'm with the old, in with the new. Also, don't forget to like this video, please. You know, the reason as to why I ask you guys to like the video is so that it can be recommended to other people who don't know about me. All this goodness. So please like the video, please share with your own contacts, and please subscribe and press the bell. Okay, bye. My sister is here.